Alright, let's look at day 3, problem number 5. Alright, the scores for 500 students who took Ms. Johnson's final exam has a normal distribution. Right, so that's the keyword, normal distribution. Right, then we have this. Normal distribution looks like this. Right, so it's basically the bell curve, and it's going to look like this. Right, then right in the middle, so this is going to be the mean right here, so it's a mean here. And then if you move to the right or left one standard deviation away, so like say here, and let's say here, right? Then there are 34% falls in this here, so 34% here. Then another standard deviation here, there are 14%. And here 14%. Right, then only there 2% sits here, and 2% sits there. Right, so this is the normal distribution, and it says that there are 80 students. Right, what's the percentage of 80 students? So it's 80 out of 500. Right, so I'm going to divide top and bottom by 5. You get 100 on the bottom. Alright, so 80 divided by 5 is 1 and 16. Alright, so this is 16%. So top 60% of students scored at least 92 points. So that 16% is a combination of here and there. So this right here, I'm going to just put, so this is a 92 points. Alright, out of 100 points. And it says 10 students who scored below 56. So which 10%, 10 student is actually 10 over 500, so divide by 5, so it's a 2 over 100. So the bottom 2% scored below 56. So here, this is 2% here, so this is 56. Right, so between 56 and a 92, there are 3 standard deviation away from each other, because here's 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, and there's 3 standard deviation. So the difference between, so we take the 92 minus 56, then divided by 3 would give you a standard deviation. Right? So that's going to be equal to, alright, so let's see, 12 minus 6 would be 6, and 8 minus 5 is 36, divided by 3 is equal to 12. Right? So one standard deviation is actually at 12 points. Right? So you can see that, let's see, mean, which is the average, is going to be 12 less than 92, so that would be 80 right there. Right, so that tells you the average score on the final exam is actually 80, so therefore we know that the quantity B is greater. Right, so answer is B. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.